So this, while being unverified, is a bit of an update post about Alpha, the next film in the YRF spy universe after War 2. तो कई सारी बातें यहाँ पे लिखी गई हैं. I want to actually start from the top one, obviously, which is that Alpha is not going to have a Shah Rukh Khan cameo. तो Shah Rukh Khan का cameo नहीं होने वाला है Alpha में, but there is a lot more here that is going to be interesting. So let's look at this. There will be two cameos though. तो दो cameos होने वाले हैं. Hrithik is going to be one of them. He already shot his parts in June this year. तो ऋतिक क्यों आ रहे हैं अल्फा में पता नहीं. Just because War 2 अभी अभी आई है, तो War 3 तो नहीं आएगी अभी anytime soon. I'm so sorry. I'm just yawning. I had to wake up super early. Whether Adi will keep that or not has to be seen. Editing plus post production is still in works. As far as the second cameo is concerned, it's being kept a secret. I personally don't know anything about it. तो अभी पता नहीं है कि दूसरा cameo कौन सा होगा. Okay. So is it going to be a big cameo or is it going to be one of those cameos जैसे War 2 में था कि बस 1 मिनट का सीन दिखा दिया है Bobby Deol का. There's going to be a common song where both Alia and Sharvari groove. The song is still being composed. Both the leading ladies will have different artists singing for them in the song. The final cut will be handed over by August 30th. That is the end of the month. So this is interesting. तो Alia and Sharvari का एक गाना होगा, which is obvious कि उनका होना ही था गाना. और दोनों डिफरेंट आर्टिस्ट गाएंगे. ओके, इंटरेस्टिंग. मे बी वन ऑफ देम इज लाइकली गोइंग टू बी शिल्पा राव, क्योंकि वो ही ज़्यादातर गाने गा रहे हैं. कैन आई जस्ट से समथिंग अबाउट द म्यूजिक? राइट, we'll come to that when we talk about the background score, right? Alia and Sharvari will shoot for this on the second week of October. Okay, Alia will be on a small 2-weekly break from the shooting of Love and War. She's also traveling to the States for 3 days for this film. Alright, तो अभी इंटरेस्टिंग क्या है कि तो सारी चीज़ें हैं obviously. So the song has not been shot yet. So probably they're gonna shoot it on like a set again. Hopefully not. Usually they either do it on sets or beaches mostly. And background score for Alpha is still being composed as we speak now. Quite some revision in the music has been done. तो ये एक इंटरेस्टिंग चीज़ है बिकॉज आई रिमेंबर व्हेन वॉर केम आउट, वॉर की मतलब जो दोनों की थीम थी, राइट, कबीर एंड खालिद, दोनों की जो थीम थी वो कमाल की थी. लाइक इट वाज सो गुड. लाइक वो जो वॉर थीम थी, आई मीन एंड वॉर 2 में वैसा कुछ था ही नहीं. स्टाइलाइजेशन पूरा डिफरेंट था, एकदम एकदम ही अलग था मतलब. एंड वॉर 2 के जो गाने भी थे, आई फाउंड पर्सनली कि while they were just all right, अगर आप चला रहे हैं स्पीकर पे तो चलता रहेगा, but you wouldn't want to play them like you would play a song from Pathan, you'd say. So I wonder who has done the music for War 2 actually. I don't actually know कि वो compose किसने करे हैं वो गाने. Is it again Vishal and Shekhar? Because if they have done that, um, I don't know what happened there, but I don't know who's actually done that composition. I know the background score जो है वो एक दो लोगों ने करा था. I think there was someone else who had done that. I can't remember the name unfortunately, but it was an amazing score, and that same person did the score for Pathan, as far as I remember. February has 11 days of shoot up ending for the film. So I don't know where these updates are coming from, but yeah, sounds like a bit of lot of interesting stuff going on, but who knows where this film is gonna go, क्योंकि अभी ये फिल्म थोड़ा सा ना उसमें आ गई है, क्या कहते हैं, it's come in the lens a little bit and not in the way that YRF would have perhaps wanted. क्योंकि YRF ने सोचा होगा कि यार War 2 की हाइप से अल्फा को हाइप करेगी, and they must have really thought that War 2 was going to be something, because अल्फा का सीन अगर उन्होंने उसमें डाला है, they either would have not connected that at all. You know what I mean? If they really didn't believe in that film. So it seems like they really believed that that film was going to be a hit. So who knows what's going to be happening next with this.